Hello students, here I am going to teach you chapter 12 area related to circle of class 10th. It is a very simple chapter and you know how will you get the areas of a circular figure. A circle is given. In this circle, what is the things in the previous class you know? What is this? O is center of the circle, that in class 9th you know, and circle chapter also. OA is the radius of the circle. AB is the chord of the circle. Chord divides the circle in two parts, and the segments which is called, this is called the segment. It is called segment. What is called? Segment. These both the parts of the circle is called segment. One will be the minor and one is major segment. Minor and major. Minor and major. Minor segments by minor arc. It is a minor segment. Major segment by the major arc. It is the major segment. This part it is the major and it depends on the arc. When arc is minor, then minor segment, arc is major, then minor segment. Diameter, you know, radius and the diameter has a relation. Diameter is twice of the radius. Radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. Longest chord is called the diameter. When there will be one diameter, then circle divided in two parts. Its arc is divided in two parts. Semicircular arc form the semicircular segments, half of the circle. Area enclosed between the arc and the chord is called the segment. Area enclosed between the arc and the chord is called the segment. And area enclosed, there is one more thing. When you join it, you will get the OAXB. This part OAXB. OAXB is called sector. There is a two sector by the same thing. One is this sector. It is also OAYB. There is a two sector. One is by minor arc. One is by the major arc. Here arc is measured by major arc, by minor arc. Minor arc, minor sector, major arc, major sector. There is a sector and segment that we will study in this chapter. Area of the segment, area of the sector, area of the circle, and a perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary line of the circle. What is the perimeter of circle? Perimeter. Perimeter of circle means boundary line, length of the boundary line, total length of the boundary line, which is multiply pi into d. Or you can say perimeter is equal to d is to r, 2 pi r. You can get a formula in the pi multiplied by diameter. R diameter will be mentioned at 2r, then you will get it is a perimeter of the circle. Area means area of circle. Area of circle is A, that is multiply pi r square. That in 9th standard you will get the pi r square. Area of the circle means when you will get, how will you put the paper? One thread you get and this you divide then pi into r square, that is the practically you will get the area. Area of circle is pi r square. And what is the pi? Pi is d upon circumference upon diameter. C upon d, perimeter, which is called the perimeter of the circle, which is called circumference. Circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle upon diameter will be the, and it has a fixed value that will be taken pi as a constant 3.14. R you can write 22 by 7. R what is given? Three conditions are there. Sometimes it is not given, it is not given, some other value is given, big value. So what value of the pi is given, that you will take in your solution. So according to this, area of the circle, perimeter of the circle, area bounded between the arc and the chord is called segment. Area bounded between two radii and the arc is called the sector. Area bounded between two radius and the arc. Minor arc, minor sector, major arc, major sector. That's all for today introduction, and then we'll tell you in the next lecture. Thanks.